Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again.
Today we're going to learn some functions. There are several some functions in Excel. Some
SUMIFS, and some product. This is a demo data which I have taken from
sources. We'll take a days, some category days, statistic, days reception here, discount.
Profit, quantity and sales columns. Let us just see how does sum function work. So this is the sum function. All you need to do is equal to sum there. Same value we got.
Next is summary.
The criteria that is taken is A27. Let us just see. Sum if range. This is my range. This is my range. Is taken California as a criteria and some range.
It's in tablet the sum of CS or criteria California. So they know these states California later. Some will say
Only for criteria, only for California state. You can see it is giving me the correct value 4077. Let us
just quickly verify this. Let me change the state California.
as you can see here, the sum is 4077. Now let us clear the filter. So this is about SUMIF, and sum is here. The criteria is California as well as B28. Sum is sum range. First you need to select the sum range, which is S2 till H41. This is the sum range, comma criteria range 1, which is the state. This is criteria range 1. Criteria 1, let us take California. Criteria range 2, let's take subcategory. And criteria 2, let us take anything. Let's say I'm taking art. Here it was B28. Let us take B28 only. So B28 is accessories.
It's just if I did type one in the state
And accessories is the subcategory.
is clear the filters. No,
Last one, some product. So you can do F2, F2, F4 and G4. Some product. Some product of array 1 and array 2. Let's say F2 to F4 and array 2 is sales. Sorry, let's say this quantity. This is my sum product 758. Let us just calculate. 42 into 2 is, first it will take product and then calculate sum. This is 14. 758 is the answer. So you can see 758.
Here's the answer. There's solves for some functions. In the next video, they will learn more average function. Treat your happy learning. Enjoy. All the best. In learning it. I hope you're enjoying my video. The boss. I'm not keeping a very lengthy videos. I'm keeping it just short. Main lengthy video we come, but I'm talking more pivot table and build chart. Main as well. Thing a long video. More than 50 minutes. So, team there. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Dislike the video and subscribe to my channel.
Thank you so much.